So the dynamically unstable ridge is remarkable because what it is doing is essentially when you've got a ridge that's kind of set up from southwest to northeast, you are essentially, as you bring that clockwise flow around, you are pumping warmth up on the backside and pumping cold air down on the front side. So by doing that, if you think about that for a second, what are you doing? You're enhancing the trough with more and more cold air on the front side. And that's why it's called a dynamically unstable ridge. When you see that setup, that should tell you right away you're going to pop another big trough development east of it. You ready? Or southeast of it. Here we go. Middle of next week. Bam. There it is. Another upper level low that takes shape. And you say, oh my gosh, does this mean we're unsettled again? Yes. Now, TBD whether or not it's got enough moisture with it to actually bring tons of clouds like this one, or whether we get more thunderstorms out of it. But either way, it is another trough that digs tremendously. And that is because of exactly what we talked about, the dynamically unstable ridge that's in place. Do you want some good news if you love spring and summer warmth? Look, there's a ton of warmth behind this. So as it lets go, eventually, notice that we start to get underneath the dynamically unstable ridge, which means we start to get more and more into growing warmth. And when is this? This is going to be the first days of June, the first week of June. Not only may we be warm, it's possible we'd be hot. The only thing is that you have to be so careful for is that if you have any, and you can see it here, if you have any vestige of the upper level low that's left over, and you even just have a weak surface low sitting east of New England out over the water south of Nova Scotia, you're going to turn a backdoor cold front. You're going to get a northeast wind. And it's going to be that New